All right, y'all, gonna be running my Talion. I did put the Fire Team tires on here, and I wanted to test it out to see how this will perform. My Talion was down for just a bit. I had to make some adjustments to it. And I found out I stripped one of my hexes in my wheels, so don't know if I want to buy another set, or I don't know what I want to do just yet. But I did at least want to get this out for a second. Show you guys how this performs. I did raise the body up some too. You guys saw on the community page, I have another body I'm gonna put on here at some point. Wow, big old rock. I think that's from a couple of videos ago. It's not gonna be a very long video. I just kind of doing a test run. Definitely can't get it up to full speed without gradually building it up. There we go, pick it up a little bit. Uh-oh. Might have been the same thing that happened before. Let's see what's going on. I think come on over here. I don't want to walk all the way over there. Might have been that drive shaft that might have popped out in the front, which I thought I had fixed, but let's see. Yep, I thought I had that fixed. I thought that if I took out that right there, that would actually fix that. So that's gonna be a quick run of this. I do see that you guys probably can't see it. Let me take this off real quick. Show you guys what's going on in here. So I was running this. Man, I got ants. I must have ran through a big old ant pile. So I did flip one time and I did cartwheel. You guys see how that dog bone is kind of sticking out there. I think I just need another, I probably just need to replace that part completely in there. Oh, that broke. You guys see that? So it actually, the pin for the dog bone, you guys see that they're actually broke off with that. So that might have been from a tumble I did from a while back. You guys see those ants on here? I must have hit a big old ant pile at some point. So I have to get that fixed. I'll have to basically get another drive shaft in there for the front because the pin broke and actually caused that to move forward with that, which was, I don't know if I should say that was to be expected because I did run this several times and I was trying to get some stuff fixed on it. But that is a short video. I told you guys it was gonna be short. Wasn't trying to make it that short, but that's gonna be a run of this. I'm gonna get that fixed because I do want to run this against the Kronos, against the Morocco. I know somebody that actually has one of the Traxxas sledge cars, so I'm gonna get this set up and kind of get this in a newer condition because it's not gonna be fair to run this as this is against a brand new car that hasn't really been ran. I've had this over about a year. So anyway, put your comments down below. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.